back to my channel. It's Alice Walker here from Alicewalker.London. This is the look I've got for you guys today. It's my spring look. I love spring so much. So today's look, we are going to go for fresh glam spring look. If you like spring like I do, and if you also like spring makeup looks like I do, then keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and can be a part of my YouTube family. Guys, I've already primed my face with the Benefit Professional. This one here is very dirty, but it's okay. I've also done my eyebrow. I used the Juvia's Place Eye Sculpt Eyebrow Pen and also Rimmel Scandalous Eye. These are the two that I use for my eyebrow today. Yep, I love it. Okay, so we're gonna crack on. Now we're going to be doing the eye first, like I always do. We are going to base the eye with LA Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. That's what I always base my eye with. Now we're going to be using the multi-use concealer instant eraser from Maybelline. I'm going to go over it with that just to brighten it up a bit. Okay, and I'm going to be using this flat brush here. We're going to be cutting the crease with the Instant Anti-Age Multi-Use Concealer by Maybelline. Again, I'll put a dot there, and now we're going to join it.
I got my own way, don't care what you say. I do my own thing, I do my own thing. I got my own way, don't care what you say.
At this stage, it doesn't really matter if the crease is not neat, because as time goes on, we're gonna neaten it. But right now, it does not really matter. So I'm going to leave it like that for now. I'm gonna go over the crease with a powder, you know, just to dab a powder on top. We'll be going for Fudge from the Sample Beauty. That one here, Fudge. And we're going to be applying it some on the outer corner of the eye as well. At this stage, if you feel like your cut crease is not sharp enough and you want to sharpen it, but you don't have to do it, I mean, you can actually go back and sharpen it a little bit, which I'm going to do now. I'm going to show you. So I'm actually going in and I'm going to sharpen the crease. So I just went in and sharpened the crease a little bit more. Like I said, you don't have to. You can just leave it how it was, you know, but I just thought I should sharpen it and show you guys how it looks. So we're going to go for two colors here. We're going to go for the silver lining. There it is. I've never used it before. And then we're going to go for the Natalie, which is that one here. Silver lining will go on the inner corner of the crease. I'm going to use the flat brush again. Ooh, the silver is so pretty. I've never used it before. I don't think I have. I can't remember using it, but it looks so pretty. put it on the other side. In the middle of the crease, we are going to use Natalie, this shade here, which I showed you earlier. I don't know if I'm pointing it to, yeah, this one.
If we go down in history. Yeah. If we go down in history. Yeah. All I need is me, myself, and I. Sometimes I wish I was somebody else. I was somebody else. I go my own way. Don't care what you say. I do my own thing. I do my own thing. I go my own way. Don't care what you say. I do my own thing. I do my own thing. I go my own way. Don't care what you say.
So we practically didn't do much to the top. The eyelashes are on. I put them off camera. Now we're going to do foundation. Like I said earlier, I've got my primer on already. The foundation we're going to be using today is the Maybelline Super Stay Active Wear foundation. Is unbelievable. I'm loving it so much. Okay, I think I put too much. Ooh, I've put quite a bit of pumps. I don't know how people just put one pump on their face and it's okay for them. For me, one pump is not enough, you know. It's honestly not enough for me. So I don't know how people do it. Where they just put one pump on their face and it works perfectly. And we're going to apply it all over the face. Right, I'm gonna go pat it down. I love the foundation so much because it actually keeps the oils off my face and my makeup stays in place for a long time. So it stays very long. So yeah, this is the foundation on my face at the moment. As you can tell, it's looking pretty matte already. And now I'm going to be putting concealer under my eye. Because I'm going to be highlighting under my eye, I did not put too much foundation under my eye. We're going to be putting some up there. Maybe just a little bit there first. Then we're going to blend the forehead. Okay, I'm going to just do this one first before I go to the one under my eye. I'm going to leave the one under my eye to the last. Like I said, I didn't put that much there. Now we're going to blend the one under the eye. I'm taking my time to blend it in. And as always, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Infallible foundation to contour. So I'm going to put it right up here, and I'm going to put a little bit there, and then maybe I'll do it around there. And that's about it.
All
Okay, and I'm gonna go over with a beauty blender just to make sure that it's blended in really well. I'm going to set my face where I concealer, so we're gonna set it. I'm gonna set my whole face with this powder here, the Benefit.
If we go down in history. Yeah. If we go down in history. Yeah.
I'm gonna prime the lower lash before I put a mascara on.
I do my own thing. I do my own thing. I go my own way. Don't care what you say. I do my own thing. I do my own thing. I go my own way. Don't care what you say. I do my own thing. I do my own thing.
The lipsticks we're going to be using today are Muted from Juvia's Place from their Nude collection, and Cocoa from Juvia's Place from Nude collection. I've been loving these lipsticks, so I've been using them a lot lately. And yep, because it's spring, we are going to go for glossy lip. And I'm going to go in the middle with Muted. I'm going to apply this gloss from Roy's Cosmetics. This is it. This is my spring look. If you like this look, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and come be a part of my YouTube family. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.